Everyone, it was a pretty cloudy day and the clouds still around right now. This is Sky 5 Weslaco. You can't really tell, but the clouds are there and it's a pretty tranquil night. Here's satellite to show you and prove you that the clouds are still there across all of South Texas and even here in the valley. And they will probably stick around through the overnight. Looks like even in the morning we could still see a lot of cloud cover, maybe some patchy fog. So this is what we're looking at. 11 in the morning, 10 in the morning, we're seeing partly cloudy conditions, maybe some breaks in the clouds even through the afternoon, some spotty showers embedded in there, only at about a 10% chance for rain tomorrow. And then on Tuesday morning, another small chance. We're not even putting a chance for that. Looks like below 10%, but then another partly cloudy day and the winds crank up on Tuesday. Current temperatures, we're in the mid 60s in the upper valley as well as through the I-69E corridor. A little bit warmer right now in Port Isabel and in Brownsville, 67 there and 64 degrees at South Padre Island. Low temperatures for the overnight. It's going to be in the mid and upper 50s, mostly cloudy skies, winds out of the east, really calm, 4 to 8 miles per hour, eventually dropping to near zero, and that's going to allow for the development of some fog. Future track visibility does show some smaller visibility amounts, nothing too drastic, so we don't expect any dense fog for tomorrow morning, but I think we could still see some very light fog early in the morning. Mostly cloudy skies are in the forecast for tomorrow, and we do see those temperatures climbing from the upper 50s at 8 a.m. to about 75 for the afternoon. That's 12 and 2 p.m. I think high temperatures could be a little bit warmer than that, especially in the upper valley. Temperatures in the upper 70s across much of the region, maybe even hitting the 80s in some areas. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. The winds again 10 to 20 miles per hour, and that's for tomorrow. We could see those gusts up to 25 in the afternoon. And as we take a look at the extended wind forecast, notice how we go up to 15 to 30 miles per hour, and those could be sustained winds for the latter part of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, even into Friday, and wind gusts could be up to 40 and 45 miles per hour for Wednesday and Thursday. And with the very dry conditions right now because of the drought, we do have a risk for wildfires, so that's going to be high this week. I think the highest it's going to be will be Tuesday through Friday, so use caution if you're out burning or fireworks or maybe even campfires for the remainder of the week. Those rain chances remain pretty slim. 10% chance of rain tomorrow, maybe some in the morning on Tuesday, but looks pretty dry and no drought busting rain in the forecast. Marine forecast showing those winds out of the east switching to the southeast, 10 to 15 knots. UV index very high, and the next low tide will be at 4:38 a.m. Next one, high tide 3:18 p.m. for tomorrow. And then for tonight, valley average temperature of around 56 degrees, mostly cloudy. Patchy morning fog in the forecast, and then 77 is our forecast high tomorrow. Again, another comfortable day, a little bit breezy, but not too bad. It's the rest of this week where we will see those very windy conditions. Just use extra caution if you do have any plans to do some outdoor burning. But notice how the temperatures do climb through the rest of the week. 81 degrees on Tuesday, 83 on Wednesday. We're close to 90 degrees for Friday, so yeah, more spring-like weather is coming, and the southeasterly flow will bring in a little bit more humidity into our area. And then there's big question marks for next weekend. There's a cold front on the map, and we'll track that later on in the next half hour, but it looks like those temperatures will still stay pretty warm. 80 degrees for Saturday and 78 degrees for Sunday. And that is a complete look at your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.